Hi! Today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture. And if you're new to this channel and series and all that, well, this is a series when every day I do a drawing. So today is the 11th of January. And, well, you get the idea. We are drawing. And it can go very bad. It can be a disaster, like the 2nd of January was a disaster, total disaster. So let's get going. Okay, which one? Well, anyway, this one. Today I'm planning to draw a bear. Yeah, a bear. I was thinking of a joke. I'm bad at jokes. So sad. Okay, so 11. Wait, I thought of a joke. Okay. Do you know what 11 plus 1 is? I bet you don't. It's a window. Why? Look. 1 here, 11. The plus. The equal. We get it. The 2 equals. We bring this one here and close the window. Awful joke, but anyway. Okay, so line, why do you end up horrible? So sad. The line is always horrible. Okay, so there's the head. And I know it doesn't have like the thing that... So yeah, I know what to do. Now we rub out one part of the head. And you'll say, why did we draw it? Well, because we are not lazy. Yeah, rub out. Yeah. Okay. So 1 eye, 2 eye, nose. Now I have to do an ear and another one, and another one, and another one. What do I make for ears? Oh, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Logic. Big brain. Forgot the cheeks. Cheeks are most important. So here like this. Now we need one paw. This looks kind of strange, but we'll make it work. So here and now this thing. What is it called? Tail. Of course. Awkward silence again. So yeah. Now for the sparkles. So now it's time for sparkles. My favorite part. We don't have to do a lot of dots like here. We need to do like here. So there are 6 sparkles, and I'll fit all the 6 somewhere. You know, if you need fitting, ask me. I can help. It won't be neat at all, but everything will fit. Okay, so here we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And another one. Yay! Whoa! The sparkles are complete. Now for the dots. I'm scared. Maybe I have too much of them. Again. And again. And again. And again. And again. It's not too much. It's the perfect amount. Okay. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed. press the like button, of course. And, well, thanks for watching. Bye.